morning. My name is Florisa and I'm 32 years old. And my undergraduate is BS Information Technology. First, my NC2 is CSS. And today's demo skills, I'll be demonstrating on how to create a database. So as an example, I'll be creating a sales database. Right, so let's start. Okay, so first you'll have to look for Microsoft Excel. So here's my Microsoft Excel shortcut on my desktop. Alright, so now let's open it. So first I'll have to input all the data needed to create a database. So let's have as an example here. A sales database. First is order date. Next is region. Next is representative. Next is item. Units. Unit costs. And total. Okay, so let's input order date. So let's have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's just drag it. So let's have 10 example here. Okay, so let's have this as an example. Next is region. So let's input some region like east. Next is central, west, east. Okay. Next is central, west, east, north, west. Okay, next is let's have representative. Let's have some names of a person. So James, Jill, John, Mark. Okay, and next column is item. So let's have example 1 is pencil. Next is binder, desk, pen, notebook, notebook. Yeah, let's get the units. So let's have as an example. First one is 95. Next is 2. This is 80. This is 27. 20, 80. 58. 60. And then the next column is unit cost. Okay, it's not unit cost. Unit cost. Okay, so for pencil it's 1.99. Next is 91.99. Next is 125. Next is 18.99. 18.99. Alright, so here let's stop until here. Since the total, for the total, let's leave it. Since we need a formula for us to get the total. So here for the total, for us to get the total, we need a formula. Let's use unit times unit cost. Okay, so let's have first equals Then let's click column E. So E2. Then let's have the symbol for multiplication. Then column F, which is F2, and then enter. So now we able to get the total for the first example, which is the item is pencil, the unit is 95 and the unit cost is 1.99, so the total is 189.05. so for us to get easily all the same formula, so we just drag it down. So let's do like this, okay? So we drag it down, and here we automatically get the total on each example. Okay, so now we're done with that. Let's move on. Let's create a table. So for us to get the table, so let's highlight all the information or the data, and then let's go to the format as table, and we'll choose here what table or color or design do you like. So I like this blue one. Okay, here it pops up that where is the data for your table, so it shows what column and rows exactly you want to have your table. So let's have this. Okay, so it's here. So we already have the table. Okay, so this time you notice that our column and rows are not the same length and width. So we're going to highlight all of this to change the rows. Okay, let's change the rows here. Let's go on the format and then row height. Let's change it into 20 and click OK. So here you notice that the height of the rows changed, and let's change also the width of the column. So let's have it, it's an example, let's have it 15. Okay, so here you see that the column also changed. Okay, so here it